What's up, weirdos? All right. Let me cook, guys. Let me cook. What's going on? How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? We're going to get into the chat. We're going to see what is going on this glorious Sunday. I feel fantastic. Hopefully you guys feel fantastic. We got a couple of super chats to kick things off. Rob, your Patreon has changed my life for the better. We'll share a short story in the chat. Perfect. Okay, we'd love to hear that. Thank you so much. Yo, Mars. What's up, my dude? Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. All right, let's get into the chat a little bit, guys. Let's get into the chat. Let's see what everybody's talking about. But first, quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet, guys. They got a 2-for-1 deal going on right now on the Biometric Wallet. They got the Decent Card Wallet, guys. It's like $5 or something. Check it out. Use our link down below. Get yourself a fantastic deal, guys. Not your keys, not your coins. All right, let's get into the Bitcoin chart, and then we'll jump over to the chat. All right. Isaac, first Pokemon of the day. What's up, my dude? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. Matt's in the house. What's up? Second Pokemon, Green Tea. We got some Squirtle action on a beautiful Sunday morning. Well, Sunday afternoon now. Bulbasaur, we got 3 straight Pokemon to start the day. It's going to be a good one, guys. What's up, man? Cryptis, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Hulk, Beast Mode in the house. Anyone bullish for what's about to happen or all asleep? Let's go. Yeah, guys, you were about to enter no sleep zone, right? So if you got some vacation time coming up, you probably are going to want to use it, or your sick days, because when things start to go parabolic, you need to be at your computer ready to take those profits, baby. Quentin, what's up, buddy? Good to see you. My dude Ty is in the house. What's up, dude? Sup, Robin, Crypto Fam. Good to see you, brother. Ty, it's awesome to have you back, my dude. Hab, what's going on? Happy Sunday. Milk Money in the house. What's up, weirdos? Happy Memorial Day weekend. Yes, absolutely, guys. Looking forward to our one-on-one tonight. Boss Parallel Life in the house. The man, the myth, the legend. Absolutely. DCA all day. Buy orders steady filling. That's what I like to hear. Buy orders filling like a villain. Jared, off to work. Got to get some more dry powder for your gems, boss. I hope you're having a good Sunday, because I know your Patreon fam is. Yes, everyone's having a blast over there. I've tuned in a couple of times this morning, and yeah, it's good times, man. It's good times. Clint, thank you so much, brother. What's up, weirdos? Rob, could you take a look at TARS AI? Yes, I can do that for you, my dude. I can do that for you. Where's my TARS AI? Let's have a looky-loo. So yeah, I mean, we're putting in higher lows, but we're kind of at a bit of a resistance level here, obviously, right? We're struggling here. Every day I'm struggling. So yeah, not a lot of history on the KuCoin because it probably recently got listed there. But what are we on? We are on we're on the daily time frame. You've got a bit of resistance sitting here at about 11 cents 6. Obviously, you broke above it. You failed the retest. You came back down. You tested it again, tried to break through, failed, came back down. I would assume that the next attempt at this, you're probably going to succeed on the breakout. I like to say you need 3 touches for a breakout. You've got your 3 touches. So I would say when this winds back up, you could see a little bit more downside first, but it's going to wind back up, and it's going to go probably next week. I think TARS AI is going to have itself a nice little jump to the upside. So absolutely, man. Where was I? Clint. I hold a decent chunk of Zebec, and I have no more powder. I wanted more, but got to ride what I got. Hey, sometimes that's the best option. Guys, I've said this 100 times in the past, right? Some of the best investors in the world, if you have been unable to sell or take profits or do anything, you're just sitting on your hands and you're feeling some sort of like anxiety about it or feeling some kind of way, always remember this, guys. Some of the best and most successful investors in the entire world have spent extended periods of time doing nothing except sitting on their hands. Remember that, right? WF Capital, Zebec, hells yeah, brother. Hells yeah. William, my dude, what's up, man? Good to see you. Joy. Hey, everyone, happy Sunday. What a great weekend we are having. Cheers, cheers, bring the beers. Jay, Roberto, Zebec seems to be holding ground at the 204 range. Looks good up there. Well, here's the thing. I think that there's more downside for Zebec. I do. And where the hell is it? Why is it not on my... The reason for that, guys, I've showed you guys this, right? Nothing goes straight up. Oh. Nothing goes straight up without correction. Okay? Nothing. Yes, we had a little bit of a correction here. We have 10 out of the last 11. If this daily candle closes where it is now in the green, that's 11 out of 12 daily candles green, right? And what we're seeing here is a lot of indecisiveness. We're seeing bears trying to push it down. We're seeing bulls trying to push it up. So whoever falls first, but I really do think we're going to see a correction, probably down to this range, 203, 2031. That's kind of where I'm targeting for a short-term correction. So, yeah. Ya boy, I'm a sissy bear. My dude, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Kraken isn't letting me purchase any crypto. Worst exchange I've... Why is it not letting you deal with any purchase any crypto? What's it saying to you? Have you finished your KYC? Has it been confirmed? Maybe that's the problem. That's all I can think of. I can't imagine why Kraken on a day like today wouldn't let you be purchasing. 35x XCN. There you go, man. There you go. JJ, hear me now and believe me later. Listen to me now and understand me later. Rob, you are super fantastic. I dig it, man. I dig it. Little old school, early mid 90s Saturday Night Live reference for all you young ones out there. Kizza, what's up, man? I would have got out of crypto after Liberation Day if it wasn't for the Patreon and knowing other people are in the same boat. Patience is key. Absolutely. That's why we have such an absolutely amazing community over on the Patreon, guys. So many people are there helping each other, chatting, asking questions, getting answers, helping each other stay strong as well. It's not just me helping you guys. It's all of us as a community. Everyone over there is supporting each other. It's a wonderful community to be a part of. Absolutely. I'm so proud of it. I hope a 50x on Zebec. Yeah, that would be amazing, man. AK, DCA Sunday for me. Grateful for this opportunity. Let's go. Kizza, thanks, Rob, for bringing this community together. I have done a top. I get the hiccups. I've done a top. You, not I. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. Leo, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, and welcome again over to the Patreon community, Leo. Good to have you over there, brother. I apologize. This is going to be long. I'll break it down in a few short messages. On Friday, I officially submitted my resignation notice. I'm 28 and have been in finance for the past 7+ years. Okay, 720. We'll continue on. I really need my Telcoin to start doing something. Absolutely, man. Gamma Goddess, there she is. Everyone is doing well. Let's get this party started. Guys, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow. It doesn't cost you a single solitary penny, guys. So go ahead and get that done. Join the community, join the party, join the money-making society, guys, right? Creeping while you sleeping. Let's get it done. I just accepted an offer to be a renewable energy analyst, which is something totally different. I'm only able to do this because I found your page in February, March this year and built a safety net by investing in your gems. Just wanted to share my story here and show everyone that your Patreon is truly life-changing. One of these days, I will join the Patreon live call for the first time and hope to share more details with everyone. Well, congratulations. Congratulations. And I am so jacked up and excited to hear that we were able to change your life for the better in our community. That is absolutely fantastic. And hopefully we can continue to help you grow that future, that bright future. Okay. So thank you so much for sharing your story. Absolutely fantastic. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Paul, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. John, blessings, my brother. Smash that like button. Absolutely. Braveheart, I'm DCAing, but not on Zebec till it corrects. Not a bad idea. Hangman, Zebec needs a major dump and gain a zero so I can accumulate. I miss. Hey, you're not wrong, brother. You're not wrong. Romeo, watching on X. Good afternoon, all. Hope everyone is enjoying the weekend and getting away from the crypto for a bit. Touch some grass, baby. Cat is in the house. What's up, Cat? Megman, chilling like a villain. Danny's here. Batlander, hello, my fellow crypto gem accumulators. Another local patiently waiting like a lion to strike more Zebec on the drop. Let's go. AZ, yo, what's good, Danny? I'm actually out of powder. Well, hey, nothing wrong with sitting on your hands, brother, right? So sorry you missed the train. It will not go back to 202. Yo. But here's the thing, though. Here's the thing. If you are, I've said this before, guys, if you are one of the people right now who either were hoping to get more Zebec or are praying for a pullback so you can accumulate or get a position, guys, listen. We got into XCN before it pumped like crazy over on the Patreon. We made crazy money on that call. We're making crazy money right now on Zebec because we got into that like 7 or 8 months ago, okay? We are currently in accumulation mode of the next project that's going to pump like these two projects have. In fact, I am going to be doing an updated breakdown video of this next gem over on the Patreon today because we have had such a massive influx of Patreon members over the last 72 hours. I want everyone to understand the details of this new gem. I want everyone to understand the partnerships because they're going to blow your mind. And I want everyone to understand why we have such conviction in this play. So I'm going to be doing an updated video on it today over on the Patreon, guys. So keep an eye out for that. This sucker's going to pop when all of the other content creators out there that have no idea about this gem figure it out and find out the partnerships on it. It's going to be going crazy. You want to get in early on these plays, guys. So don't sit there going, oh man, you know, I missed Zebec. I hope it pulls all the way back down. Get in on the next one, right? That's not saying Zebec's not a good buy still, but get in earlier. Get the next one, guys. That's where the money is. Easy, yo. What's good, fam? Good to see you, man. It's going lower. Zebec will dump. Nothing goes up forever. Yes, absolutely. I agree. There will be a correction. Just recently added all my coins to the Decent wallet. Everything added up to over. Nice. Stargazer. Good to see it, man. Good to see it. Blair is in the house. What's going on? Speaking of house, house. When you move to the States, probably once this bull run is over. Probably once it's over. I have a feeling that more states are going to start going, capital gains tax friendly and stuff like that as we push forward. So I'm probably going to do it after this bull run is over. So yeah, that's kind of my plan as of right now. But yeah, we'll see what happens. How many likes do I have, guys? 83 likes. There is 354 people watching and only 83 likes. You guys are doing me dirty. Come on, help a brother out, man. Latino Hustler, what's going on, man? Bought some XCN today. Nice. Such a magnificent Sunday. I hope you're all having a fantastic weather. You know what? It is gorgeous outside where I am. Touching some grass today, taking it easy, chilling like a villain. Absolutely, guys. Ty, every day we hustling. Happy Sunday. 3K Sports. What's up, man? Smash the like button, please, and subscribe. Yes. Listen to my man. Gary, could you take a look at Stronghold? I am bullish on Stronghold for it's not listed on there, so I'll have to go over to Trading View chart. Okay, let's have a look. I can't get any I can't look at the chart right now. Trading View is not showing me. It's unavailable over on CoinGecko. So I can't look at the chart, but I can tell you this. I am very, very bullish on Stronghold. Very, very bullish. So that's all I can really tell you right now. I can't pull up the chart, as you can see. Crypto Man, yo, did you do XCN yet, or will you do it soon? Are you talking about the chart? I have not looked at the chart, but I can if you're asking me to. I can. Did I look at it already? I'm not too sure. Oh, I looked at it earlier today. Just kind of doing its thing, guys. Now, listen, this is why this is the reference that I like to use for what's going on with Zebec right now, right? As you can see, XCN on its massive run up, right, which we caught beautifully. It had just this one little week here, 6-7 days of consolidation right here, right? And then what ended up happening is because it just went straight up, it came straight back down again, right? It didn't build any support levels. It caught support right here, right in the same range that it built up for like a little bit of support for a week, right? So, you know, and it looks bullish. It's going to pop to the upside, just, you know, because I know you wanted me to look at it, but here it is, right? It's looking good. Putting in higher lows and higher highs. Very nice, very nice. But what I would say is if we go back over to the Zebec chart now, right? See, straight up, no support levels, boom, crash back down. Now you look at Zebec's chart, right? Same thing. We built up support here, straight up. It's going to come right back down. I'm hoping that it catches support in this area here around 203, 2031. But when you don't build support levels, guys, and I say this all the time, every time people are complaining about a project slowing down and consolidating like this, and they're like, oh, why is it doing that? It's building a support level that's very, very crucial for future progress, right? When you don't build support levels, you come all the way back down again. So that's why, you know, this will have a correction, in my opinion. It will have some sort of a correction. I just showed you on the Onyx coin chart, right? So, Nicholas, what's up, big dog? Good to see you, man. DeFi Drifter, thanks for the guidance, Rob. My portfolio rolled over 6 figures this week. Nice. Congratulations, brother. Another one in the money. That's what I like to hear, man. Winners keep winning, baby, and that's what we do. That's what we do. All right, what else do we have? Let's keep this party going. Let's keep this party pumping. Crypto, what's up, man? Up till 6 a.m. waiting for the buyback on Zebec. Finally got 5 hours of sleep. Nice little bit of sleep there, brother. Creeping while you sleeping. Matt gifting out another 5 memberships over on Crypto Blueprint. My brother, thank you so much for your generosity. Always supporting me, always supporting the channel. My dude, my brother, I love it. Libby, welcome to the family as well. Welcome to the community, my friend. We got cookies, right? Yo, what's up, man? Get it over 100 likes, people. That is what boosts the algorithm. We have more than that watching live. Yes. Oh, we broke over 100 likes, guys. Let's keep it going. Thank you so much for that. Took out my net investment on Zebec. Gonna buy back on the dip. There you go. Best group ever in this space. Thank you, Strawberry Dragon. Aloha. What's going on, Zen? Good to see you, man. Warning: Rob's content. The Patreon and investing in crypto may cause excessive dedication to his videos, our live calls, and the charts. Absolutely, brother. I dig it, man. I dig it. It became a full-time job. Steve, are we looking at another leg up before a correction? I don't think so, man. I think we're going to see that correction soon. Isaac, Rob, where would be a great place to vacation in Canada? Banff. Banff is a good place to go. Vancouver Island is okay. It depends on, you know, whether you want to be more naturey or like big city, right? Toronto is okay because it's got a lot of sites and stuff, but yeah, I would say probably Banff is a nice place. Rob, that gem that we're accumulating right now, on the Patreon, the one that's going to run like Zebec, do you think it will have a little pullback? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. XRP prediction, $5 to $6 for XRP. Another family is Patreon family is buzzing right now. 2 swing trades this week. Yes, 2 big swing trades this week, guys. Making that money. Absolutely, guys. Get over. What are you doing? So are you still here? Get over to the Patreon. You are missing the boat. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. No problem, Crypto Man. Rob, do you think Zebec could build a support level where it's at? Yes, I do think that's possible. Aiming for 5 million Zebec. There you go, man. Reach that goal, baby. Reach that goal. Zebec had a 20% dump yesterday. Yeah, but it corrected. We need we need at least 1 or 2 red daily candles. Hey, Rob, thanks for helping my portfolio rolling into 6 figures this past week. Hey, no problem, Megman. Congratulations, fam. Congratulations. E-Dubs, what's up, man? Where do people put the requests on YouTube for a new gem requests? I know there's a lot of new people, but I could never find it, and I wanted to ask again. Oh, you mean there's a little tab at the top of the chat. It says goals. If you click on that, that's where you can put your altcoin requests. Lord of the Realm, what's going on, man? Megman, Rob, thank you for helping me build a 6-figure. Oh, already read that one. Gloria, thanks again for all that you do. Rob is the man. Zebec pushing the portfolio over 6 figures. Nice. 2 more people over 6 figures, guys. Get in where you fit in. If you are sleeping on it, guys, I do not know what to tell you, man. You're witnessing it in real time. People are making money, and you're sitting on the sidelines going, what should I do? Right? What's your price prediction for Zebec this bull run? Honestly, I mean, it used to be around 5 cents, but the more I've kind of deep dived into what's going on, a potential Ripple partnership, listings on Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. I mean, honestly, 10, 15 cents is extremely realistic in my opinion. I am Patreon rich, 6 figures now, and 7 next. There you go. 3 people hitting 6 figures. Nice. Absolutely fantastic, guys. Absolutely fantastic. I love to see that. I love to see it. All right, let's get into some of the news, shall we, guys? We're all caught up in the chat finally. That we got there pretty quick. I'm surprised because the chat has been a buzz. The chat has been a buzz. All right, let's see what's going on out there. Oh, Gary. One of my best friends who went to school with me in Texas is a professor at the University of Toronto. Nice. Nice. There you go. Good old Canada. Good old Canada. All right. So let's get into some of the news here, guys. RIP to this guy. Look at him. Sam Logic says Zebec. This was in April. He said Zebec is a scam. They made millions through node fraud and got delisted from BitHub. Never buy Zebec. Buy other coins. RIP, my friend. RIP. Those never age well, guys. Those never age well. Michael Saylor hints at more Bitcoin buys. Michael Saylor, the executive chairman of MicroStrategy, now known as Strategy, has once again stirred the crypto world with a powerful statement. Quote, I only buy Bitcoin with money I can't afford to lose. Yeah. Known for leading Strategy into becoming one of the largest corporate holders of Bitcoin. Saylor's words are more than just financial advice. They reflect a philosophy. This latest remark signals his enduring confidence in Bitcoin's long-term potential. While some may see his statement as paradoxical, Saylor's point is that Bitcoin is a long horizon, high conviction asset for him. It's not about short-term gains, but about securing value in the digital age. Absolutely, guys. I did a video talking about that last week, just about the long-term mindset versus the short-term mindset, and how long-term mindset investors always succeed where short-term investors do not, right? Saylor's tweet also hints at the possibility of more Bitcoin acquisitions. With MicroStrategy already holding over 200,000 Bitcoin, many investors closely watch his movements. This statement suggests that any capital not essential to the day-to-day operations might be redirected into Bitcoin. This approach reinforces a trend among institutional players treating Bitcoin as digital property rather than just a speculative asset. If Saylor follows through, we could soon witness another multi-million-dollar BTC purchase hitting the headlines. which I wouldn't be surprised tomorrow being Monday, but actually it's a holiday, so maybe Tuesday you'll probably purchase more. Saylor's approach serves as a lesson to risk tolerance and strategic investing. By using money I can't afford to lose, he refers to capital that isn't critical for survival, meaning it's available for long-term bets for crypto enthusiasts and retail investors alike. It's a reminder that Bitcoin should be seen through a long-term lens with clear understanding of risk and conviction in the asset's potential. If you are, guys, if you're investing in crypto, if you've just come in or this is half a cycle, whatever it is, understand something. You should have an 8-year mindset, right? I don't know if you got into crypto and you heard that you could make millions of dollars in a couple of months or whatever the case might be. Long-term mindset. Think about 2 full cycles. Set your goal and your target at 2 full cycles, 8 years, right? For true life-changing wealth. And in that 8 years, devise a plan, devise a strategy, stay committed to your plan, and stay consistent. And it is very difficult for people to stay consistent over the course of 8 years. But if you do it, you will make life-changing wealth in this space. Can Zebec ever reach $5? It has a buyback. Not this cycle. This cycle, no. Next cycle, maybe. Maybe the cycle after that. Depends on how things continue to progress. That's going to play a pretty big factor, obviously, right? So, yeah, but not this cycle, no. I doubt it. Well, I mean, not that I doubt it. I mean, no, flat out, right? Okay, what else do we have? Let's get into a little bit of Kaspa. We haven't talked about Kaspa in a while, guys. Why Kaspa might soon power the fastest smart contracts in crypto. Dr. Martin Heisboek just dropped a comprehensive update on the current and future state of the Kaspa ecosystem. And if his breakdown is anything to go by, Kaspa might be on the verge of a major evolution. Kaspa isn't trying to be Ethereum. In fact, it was never built for smart contracts to begin with. But that's exactly what makes it its next move so interesting. Originally designed as a high-speed layer 1 blockchain focused on payments, Kaspa uses the UTXO model, just like Bitcoin. This structure is great for quick, secure transactions, but it lacks the built-in state management needed for smart contracts. That's why blockchain like Ethereum, which used the account-based model, has been the go-to for decentralized applications. Instead of rewriting its core architecture, Kaspa is going modular. Developers are building out layer 2 solutions to bring full smart contract capabilities without sacrificing speed or security. One of the biggest efforts in Kasplex, a roll-up based system designed to make Kaspa EVM compatible. That means developers could write Ethereum style contracts that run on faster back ends. Kasplex lets these contracts execute off-chain and then settle on Kaspa's high-performance base layer. In simple terms, fast computation off-chain, secure finality on-chain. There's also Sparkle, which takes a different approach. It's being developed as a layer 1.5 or 1.5, tightly integrated with Kaspa's core protocol. Instead of moving everything off-chain, Sparkle uses zero-knowledge proofs or ZK proofs to process smart contract logic privately and efficiently. The only thing that hits the blockchain is the proof that everything happened correctly. Together, these tools could make Kaspa one of the fastest and most secure backbones for smart contract execution, even if they're not happening directly on the layer 1. Smart contracts aren't only about code. You need tokens, standards, and frameworks that developers can build with. That's where the KRC20 comes in, Kaspa's version of Ethereum's ERC20 standard. The KRC20 token don't support full smart contracts yet, but they're laying the groundwork. They're creating a shared language for asset creation, experiments, and future dApps. In a way, this is Kaspa's early DeFi phase, setting the rails for a more advanced ecosystem later. What makes this whole strategy work is Kaspa's underlying speed and scalability. Thanks to its block DAG architecture and its Ghost DAG protocol, Kaspa can process blocks in parallel rather than one by one. That's a big reason why its transactions are so fast and confirmations near instant. Add in proof of work for security, and you get a decentralized, censorship-resistant base layer without the slow throughput most proof of work chains suffer from. This is why Kaspa's team is betting on layer 2s, betting big on layer 2. It's not just about adding smart contracts, it's about doing it better with faster execution, stronger security, and lower costs. There's one more piece on the horizon. Kaspa's long-term roadmap even includes the possibility of native smart contracts on the layer 1. That would be a major architectural shift since the UTXO-based chains don't naturally support persistent state. It's a big lift, but it's not impossible. For now, though, Kaspa is taking the more realistic route, build smart contracts on top, not from scratch, with roll-up ZK tech and token standards already in motion. The network could quietly evolve into a full-fledged smart contract ecosystem without ever needing to become Ethereum. Kaspa started as a payment chain. It's fast, secure, and efficient, but now it's aiming for much higher highs. Absolutely super fantastic. When do you think XPR is going? I think XPR is due for a nice liftoff, to be honest with you. Geez, you're just asking all kinds of questions about price predictions and stuff today, aren't you? XCN, I could see XCN hitting its last all-time high, 18 to 20 cents. I could see that happening. When Zebec gets listed on some of the big exchanges, will it be a volatile pump and dump reaction? Possibly, yes. Possibly, yes. Ty, hey, Rob, could you look at Beam for me? Gaming coin. Oh, I know what Beam is, my friend. I know what Beam is. Yeah, Beam has actually been evolving. They've been changing out growing out their ecosystem to do far more than just gaming. Yeah, below a penny. Beam's a great pickup, honestly, man. I like Beam. I like Beam. Yeah, let's have a look at the chart. Beam is a good play, in my opinion. It's not a very old product. Like it's essentially bottomed out, in my opinion. You found your bottom, so it's got nowhere to go but up from here. I would think. So you're even kind of putting in higher lows right now. So, right, you are in an upward trajectory here. So, but you have met resistance. Obviously, you've set up a level of resistance right here, where you've had resistance, support, and resistance over here. You even came down and almost wicked to touch it here. So you're sitting at resistance 2.09655 roughly. You're going to have some resistance there, but once you break through, you're looking at a nice run. So I am a fan of Beam. Flint, what's up? Flight token. What's up, man? Good to see you again, my friend. Good to see you again. When Jasmine breaks 2 cents and still above, Rob, thanks, buddy. Soon, I mean, like, guys, I don't have it circled on the calendar when these projects are going to pump, right? I can't see the future, but I mean, I would think projects like Jasmine are massively due for a nice run. So it is still in accumulation. What do you think about Nadex Network? I'm a fan. So yeah, so if we look, guys, I want to, with this question here, Jasmine and still above, yes, I want to look at the rainbow chart first of all. Hang on. So I wanted to show you what mode, for those of you who think that the bull run is over and stuff, like if we look over at the rainbow chart, we are still in accumulation, right? As you can see right here, we are still based on accumulation in the rainbow chart. So, and then if we go over to the altcoin season chart, altcoin season index, like, you know, boom, we're still in Bitcoin season here. We got to get all the way up to 75 before we're in altcoin season. We're not even close, right? I've noticed the stream or calls, I only get the notification when you've uploaded the video, not when. That's because I post the link in the chat, my friend. It's really not difficult to know when we're live on the Patreon. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're live 9:30 p.m. Central every day, right? It's literally on a schedule. You don't even need a notification. We're live 9:30 p.m. And then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we go live at 2:30 p.m. Central, right? So it's pretty consistent. So yeah, it should be fairly simple. Hey Rob, I know you're against selling bags and moving to others that are moving, but what do you think about DCAing out of a bigger bag to moving into profits into micro cap projects? I mean, if you want to take profits on something that you're in the green on, as long as it's not a long-term bag, then I mean, I wouldn't ape that money into something that's already pumping or anything. Like I wouldn't go ape money into Zebec right now, if that's what you're thinking. It's up almost 200% in the last like week and a half. So H Barbarina in the house. Maple has just been climbing up. Throughout all the dips. Do you think 3 to 4 billion? Yes, I do. Maple's a good project. Syrup. Yes, I know the ticker you meant. Yes, I think it's a good project for sure. For sure. I do like it. So yeah, I like it a lot. Let's go have a look at the M2, guys. I wanted to have a look at the M2. What is that doing today? I know a lot of you guys are wondering. So M2 money supply just kind of sideways today, but it did set a new local high yesterday. I have a feeling we're going to continue ticking to the upside on this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. How can you look at this and not be bullish right now? I don't get it. Flight token, has there been any news on XCN? Yes, actually, I do have a little bit of an update here on XCN. A little bit of an announcement from Chain today. I'm going to have this in a video later, but Chain has announced, Chain has now partnered with Onyx DAO to launch the standalone Onyx AI app powered by Chain Cloud and Chain AI agents. This autonomous agent handles blockchain tasks across EVM chains and more. Now live on the Onyx Ledger and powered by XCN. You absolutely love to see that, guys. You'll love to see it. Yeah, so super fantastic. What else do we have? Do we have anything else? Well, I got some one-on-one coaching calls I got to get to over on the Patreon, my friends. Let's go have a look at the Bitcoin chart again first. So yeah, so listen, I got some one-on-one coaching calls I got to do, some mentorship calls over on the Patreon. Get over there, guys. If you need mentorship, what is this? Oh, house. Stop being lazy, XCN. Big Z, hey, Rob, and family to the moon, my brothers and sisters. Absolutely. All right, guys, if you need mentorship in this space, if you need guidance, if you need help on how to structure portfolios, create exit strategies, profit-taking plans, rolling profits into other projects, identifying studs from duds, and so much more, technical analysis, tokenomics, how to mentally and emotionally handle this space, and understanding the sentiment in the space, and so much more. You want to become a better investor in this space, get over to the Patreon, join our mentorship calls, guys. They're free as Patreon members, so get over there. Also, like I said earlier in the stream, guys, if you're standing around right now going, man, I hope Zebec pulls back so I can get in, or you want to DCA more, guys, listen, again, we got in early on Onyx Coin in March of last year. We made a fortune on that over on the Patreon. We got into Zebec 7-8 months ago, and we are currently making a fortune on that one. The next one to go, guys, in our opinion, and we're not talking meme coins that are going to rug pull. We are talking solid utility, microcap gem, and the partnerships on this play are going to blow your mind. I'm doing an updated video on this gem over on the Patreon this afternoon for all the new members, because there's just been a massive influx of new members to the Patreon. So I'm going to break down this project, this gem, for you guys over there so you understand what we're getting into. This thing's going to be huge, in my opinion. I'm jacked up about it. You should be jacked up about it. Get over to the Patreon, guys. Do not miss out on these gems. That is where the real profit is and the opportunity. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I will see you guys later tonight. God bless.